Hello y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be reviewing the GLAMnetic Lash series or lashes. I know you've seen them all over the internet. They putting out ads like crazy, so I decided to try them. I love lashes, but I'm not a makeup artist, so I always have a hard time putting them on. And so I decided I would just try these. They are about $30 a piece. I got the bundle called Jumping on a Jet. And when you get a bundle, it comes with a couple of lashes and the magnetic liner. So the lashes that I got were Lavish and Lush. And y'all, this packaging is so cute. But I do want to show you the lashes. And like I said, I've done magnetic lashes in the past, but none of them have been this pretty. So here is the Lush, which is probably the more dramatic lash. And here is the Lavish. Here they go. So I don't normally read instructions, but they say you're supposed to cut them to fit your eye. I'm not about to do that. I left my scissors in the back, so we just gonna thug it out with this. So it comes with the GLAMnetic magnetic liner, and so I'm not sure how this dries yet, but what I'm gonna do is put this over my normal liner because I know exactly how that dries, and then maybe on the other eye I'll just put this liner on only to see what it looks like. So here we go. By the way, the liner that I normally use is called this CoverGirl. I'll link it at the bottom. And then what I'm going to use for my bottom lashes is the roller lash because I just love this mascara. So here we go, y'all. And do not come for me in these comments, y'all. I do not know how to do makeup, so I just be winging it, y'all, for real. All right, here we go. All right, y'all, so that is my struggle wing, whatever. So normally I would put on something up under here to kind of, you know, even that out, but I'm not. But today, I'm just going to put this on the bottom. This is the roller lash for the mascara, and I'm gonna put that on the bottom. And this is actually giving me time to allow my original liner to dry. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is apply the GLAMnetic liner on top of my liner, so we can see how that works. And so the wand is actually very similar to the one that I used earlier. We're just gonna apply this. Yeah, I told y'all, I'm not a makeup artist. Not. So while this is drying, I'm gonna pick the lash that I wanna use. So I'm thinking I'm gonna use the Lavish, just because it's not as much of a dramatic lash. Like I said, you're supposed to cut these down, but I'm not going to the back to get them scissors, so we just gonna see how this works. So, and I normally have an applicator to put them on too, but I left that in the back as well, so I'm not gonna use that. Just gonna pop these on for y'all. So the lashes actually have madness on the back, so I think it has 6. Depending on the size of your eye, you probably have to cut one of the magnets off. But for me, I'm just gonna thug it out and see what happens. Hopefully this is dry. All right, y'all. there we go. They are on, they are light, and they are so pretty. Like, can y'all see that? I mean, I probably could have cut these some, but like I said, my scissors in the back, so. But y'all, these are pretty. Okay, here's a closer look of the lashes and how they are to the magnets. And y'all, these things are really stuck. Like, I can't even tell you how secure they are. We can do the other eye if y'all want to see me just use this regular liner without my original liner on there. I'm not gonna do a wing though, just because I struggle with wings. So we're gonna allow that to dry. Like, I'm obsessed with these lashes. Probably gonna buy a lot more. That's the kind of person I am. I buy things in bulk, so I'm gonna buy more. Hopefully this is dry now. All right, y'all, we're just gonna pop these on. So there y'all have it, the GLAMnetic lashes. Again, I use the Lavish Lash. This is the packaging. The eyeliner that they give you comes like this. And, you know, I'm really happy with these. They are light, they are comfortable. I mean, they pretty much on there. I feel like I'm really using lash glue at this point, but y'all, I mean, that's it. You know, do not come for me in these comments. I told y'all, I'm not a makeup artist at all, okay? This is just for me to show y'all that these are pretty much easy to use if you have trouble with magnetic lashes or just lashes in general. So, hope y'all enjoyed this. Subscribe if you liked it, and I'll be coming back with more content soon. Thanks. So my husband came up to me and wanted to know what I was doing. I told him I was doing some lashes. Well, some magnetic lashes, and he's like, okay, so what's the magnet? So basically, this is what we did. I put the magnetic liner on his hand, and then he got the lashes on his hand. So let me show you. He hate when I do this. He does not like lashes at all, but look, they stuck on his hand now. Right there, right here. So you see,